Another day, another chance. Another way, another quiz. You know, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. So yeah. So it has access to a modified package private, which allows only within the same package. Yes, okay. Since class A, yes, I got it right. Oh yeah. There's no issue accessing it. Compile time. Ooh, I got that one. Here's what find the score. So thank you very much. Take care and let's see you all. Thank you.